What's up, guys? It's your boy, the Scorpion King, and I'm here on Team Gravely to teach you guys how to do a premiere and schedule your videos. Now, of course, you can't do Premiere on your phone. You can only do it on your laptop or your desktop. So, first thing you want to do is upload your video and make sure the visibility is on private. That's kind of the easier way to do it. And then once you go into the video details, you'll want to go into the visibility section and change it. Now, of course, there are two ways that you can do a premiere. You can make it public and then click on the check box that says set as instant premiere, or you can schedule it. Now, what you will want, if you want to schedule it, you will click schedule. And then of course you will set a date and the time for that you want it to come out. Now, of course, for example, which I kind of messed up on the example. It was but I set the video for the 13th of January 2021, and it was supposed to be 12:45 p.m. So that was kind of a mishap on my part. But nevertheless, you can just click the check mark that says set as premiere, and it'll be ready to go. All you gotta do is save the changes, and once you see it pop up saying that the changes have saved, you'll be good. You'll be good as well. Another easy way of doing that is just going into the channel content section and just going under the visibility column and switching it up. It's doing the same thing as going into your video details. So once you go through and schedule the video and check the set as premiere box, and then all you gotta do is click schedule, and there you go. Now of course there is another way to go about it. You can schedule it without having to set it as a premiere. So of course you would go under the visibility column, switch it to schedule. Now once you schedule a date and a time, if you don't want to set it as a premiere, do not click the checkbox for set as premiere. And you should be good to go. Now, if you do decide that you want to go ahead and set it as a premiere, you can always go back into that joint and click on the checkbox. And then once you click on the checkbox, you press schedule, and it should be good to go. Now, of course, you can do this on your phone, except you won't be able to premiere it. You can only schedule it. So of course you will have to go into the YouTube Studio app and click on the video that you want to schedule. Of course you will have to press the pencil icon to go into the video details and schedule it. Of course, it looks a bit different when you're scheduling it on the phone. So just be very aware of that. Like, you can click whether you want to do it at AM or PM. And of course it shows around clock. Same for the minutes. So of course it may have a different way of doing it, but it is still the same method. So of course you can also type it in to try to fix it if you don't really like that type of method. So once you set the date and the time for it, you should be good to go, and it'll be ready to go. Now I'm stressing this one last time. You cannot premiere it on the phones. Only the laptop and the desktop. And there we go. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all around.